I sanded down the glass fiber at the inside. Here you can see the old screw hole, which was not originally done by the boatyard. And there is a little bit of a hairline crack at the outside where some water is penetrating in from here. So I'm planning to laminate the whole area and give it some more structural strength. And here you see the straight lines where we removed also the core cell material all the way over here. And this will also be laminated. Here I have a sample for you. Put it in the right. Here you can see the rotten material, which was exposed to moisture, and this is still a good part, but I had to remove this as well in order to gain solid and dry material. And this is how it looks from the inside. It's glass fiber, core cell material, and it was attached like this. 2 centimeter core cell material. Okay. This is thickened epoxy, thickened and filled with 2 materials. This material is odor-free. Our new core cell material. In this case it's not a balsa core anymore, it's a foam core, so it can't rot anymore. Same thickness. We will put this in place of the rotten balsa, and I put several layers of this thick glass fiber on top of it. I don't know exactly, I think it's 300 grams per square meter. We will have several layers, and if you follow me here, I just filled in that corner with the core cell material and laminated 1 layer of glass fiber tissue on top. I mixed a odorless epoxy and I thickened it so it won't run too much. I apply it with a brush because it's a small area. Bigger areas will be applied with a roller, of course. So this was the very first layer. We laminated our core cell material in place, and I put 1 layer of tissue on top, and we will repeat this process several times, many times, at least 5-6 times. So this is the morning after I laminated 4 layers of the heavy duty fiberglass fabric to this corner, in this direction and that direction, and it's already hard, it's good. I laminated 2 pieces of the core cell material with 1 layer of the cloth on top of it, and today we will go to the big area and put the core cell material here. Originally our boat was produced with balsa core end grain as a core cell material, but in order to replace it we are taking this foam core, which is less vulnerable against moisture and other things, and it has the same, even better qualities. I think at the time when they built the boat 20 years back in time, even that was not existing, and they still build boats with balsa core. You just have to check and to make sure that no moisture is penetrating through your gel coat and through your glass fiber, and the balsa is then starting to rot. So today we will put our core cell material into that area. I have to cut it a little bit to give it the perfect fit, and then we get started. See you later. Thicken epoxy. I prepared everything. Smooth the edges. We already put 2 small patches, and now I'm laminating the big area. Everything is prepared, sanded, it's cleaned with acetone, the epoxy is thickened a little bit, and now I'm step by step applying the epoxy. In this case I'm using a brush. You can see the material is a little bit thick, it's thixotrope, it's missing. The thickness by the adhesion of the brush to the surface. Done this many times before. You can see it's quite, you can bend it a little bit. And we don't have much of a curvature here, so it's supposed to stick quite well.